guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a voiceover. I just wanted to quickly come in here with my intro. This is the green look for today's video. If you hear a bunch of my dog is chewing on a water bottle because he wants attention. But this is the green look for today. I somewhat struggled with what I wanted to do for this look, but I feel way better with this look than I did when I did the yellow one. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how to do this in this video, and like I said, it's going to be a voiceover, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a big thumbs up. Also, comment down below what you would like to see from me in the future. Also, do you guys like it better when I do voiceovers, or do you like it better when I do talk-throughs, or attempt to do talk-throughs? Because we all know those are rough. But yeah, I love you guys, and I will talk to you soon in the next video. But I also really quickly want to say welcome to the family for those of you who just recently subscribed. I was stuck on like 17 subscribers forever, and now I have 21. Yay! But no, I love it when I see new people subscribing. I'm just like, wow, I didn't think I'd even get this many. So thank you guys so much for joining the family. I love you guys, and I will continue to love you guys, and I will see you later.
Yeah.
Okay, so to start off, I'm just going to prime my eyelid with some concealer and blend that out with my Real Technique sponge. And the first shade we're going to go in with is the shade Punch Me, and we're just going to use that as a transition. And I'm just going to be taking that on the M433 brush. Okay, next shade we're going to go in with is Daddy. Now, my original plan was to do a halo eye, but I've never really done one of these before, so I don't really think I achieved the concept. But we're just going to put this in our crease and basically all over our eyelid. And I'm going in with the M456 brush for this step. Okay, so I'm just going to take a little bit more of the Punch Me shade just to blend around the edges so it's not so harsh. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Guac, which is just a guacamole type shade. I'm just going to apply that in the center of our lid. And to do that, I'm just going to be using a packer brush. And I did wet the brush a little bit, so if you want to wet the brush, you can. Now I'm just going to go back in with the same brush we used for Daddy to blend the edges. Okay, next we're going to go in with Social Blade, which is the bright green in the palette, and we're just going to run this along our lower lash line. And I did do my base off camera, by the way. And for this, I'm going to be using the the M152 brush. Going in with the shade Ring Light, I'm just going to apply that to my inner corner and our brow bone, and I'm using the M508 brush for this. Now I'm going to add lashes. These are from K Glow Glam in the style Pull Up. You can use my code LIGHTBRIGHT for money off your purchase. Okay, so now we're going to be bronzing using a L'Oreal bronzer. I guess it worked pretty good for me. I liked it. It was okay. Alright, you guys know the drill. I'm going in with code James as a blush. Ever since I did this, I can't stop doing it now. So next step is highlighter, and I'm going to go in with my favorite palette, which is the Carly Bible palette. I'm going to be mixing the light shade and the second darkest shade, and as you guys saw, one of the pans have been defeated and I'm so upset. So for lips, we're going to be doing a basic nude lip like I usually do. I didn't have my brown liner with me, so I used the shade Benny from the palette and then just went over it with a nude gloss. Also, the camera is blurry because it fell. My dog knocked it over and I didn't realize it was blurry until I went back to edit. So I'm sorry for that. Poppy should apologize to you guys too. Going in with mascara, I'm just going to be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara just to blend my lashes with the falsies, and this is my absolute favorite mascara ever. And to set our face, I'm going to be using the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. The mist is so soft and light. It's so pretty feeling, like, if that makes any sense, but it feels really nice. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Make sure to give a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment down below. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Mwah!
Yeah.